Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa and in this video I am going to show you a product which is IKEA's Kupong. So Kupong is a alarm clock and this is quite compact one, very small one, which you can put it on your desk, which you can put it on your side table, maybe bedside table, which you can put it even on your bag as well. Wherever you go you can carry it. And then this is an alarm clock, very small one. Okay, and I got this from IKEA Circular Hub. I got this for 79 rupees only, not even $1. It is around 90 cents. And the MRP for the product was around 129 rupees. I inserted a battery. There is a slot to insert your AAA battery. You just need to insert AAA battery here. There are two buttons. One is to set the time, another is to increment or decrement, maybe only for incrementing the hours or minutes. So once you long press this set, you will be entered into an option where you need to set the time, you need to set the minute, hours and minutes, and also the time frame, maybe 24 hours or 12 hours of the setting that you want to select. And the moment when you click on this plus, you get an option to select your alarm as well. And to select the alarm, again you need to press this set button for a longer duration, and then you will be entered into 12 hours and 24 hours setting. Once you select 12, then again you have an option to increase or decrease the timers. If you see, I can able to increase, and then I can also set off the hour here, so you can set up. So basically, if you see the current time is visible here, you can set the current time. If you select this longer, you will be getting an option to select the current time 12 and then 52. I can set the time here. I can set the alarm as well. Let me see the time. The time is 12:38, so I will just set the time as 12:38 p.m. because I set it as 12 hours, it will be automatically taken as p.m. Once I select this time like this, I need to again select the set button. Okay, and then if you want to select the alarm, you need to select it again. So you see there is an option at 12:37, there was an alarm set. You see there is an option to see the alarm, as well as AL option is visible here, and then the PM or AM it will be visible here, and then your alarm will blow, and the alarm will blow for 4 times, and in each of the 2 minutes duration the sound will start increasing. And I will put a sound of the alarm on the voice, and you can definitely check that. And the sound will incrementally grow, and this is good one which is very compact. You can place it anywhere that you want, and the purchase link will be on the description section, guys. If you want to purchase, go ahead and purchase it. And small ones for not even $1, this is really a good deal. You can replace the battery, maybe it will give around 30 days of duration, so easily you can put it. I was looking for such for my work desk because I do not, unless I check my laptop timer, I don't have any other option to check. So I need this for at least for my work desk to be aware about the current time as well as the alarm. I think, guys, we are good. Do you have any question? Put that in the description section or put that in the comment section, and the description section will still have the purchase link. Go ahead and purchase it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.